In this video, we're going to look at how to add on to Google Slides. So we're going to go right here to the add-ons button in the toolbar, and you see I already have Nearpod and Pear Deck added on. You would go right here to Get Add-ons. When you click that, this will appear, and you will see options for add-ons that work specifically with slides. And as you see here, I already have Nearpod installed. You would just simply click on it and click Installed. And then when you're ready to use it, you would go to add-ons and it will appear right here. You click on the add-on that you would like to use and open it up. If you're not already signed into your Nearpod account, it will prompt you to sign in. If you're already signed in, then it should pull up the activities. So every activity that you have available in Nearpod, you'll be able to use here and insert into your existing Google Slide presentation. So you can search right here for the feature that you would like to use, or you could just scroll through the activities. I'm going to use the collaborative board. So you would click on it, and just as you would see it in Nearpod, you would see right here in Google Slides, and you'll be able to create that activity. So this activity is going to be based upon this particular lesson that we're doing, and I'm just making it more interactive for the students. So I would type right here what the topic is, and you can go into more detail by giving a description, giving an image. If you don't like the look of the collaborative board, you could change the look. You have options down here, and the students have the options to give text or reply with an image. Once you're done, you click Save, and it will insert this activity inside your existing Google Slide presentation. If you want to edit it, you do have the option to go back and edit and change anything that you would like for that activity, but you will have to save the entire presentation in a Nearpod lesson. So in order to be able to use this activity, you will have to click Save and Go once it's uploaded. So here we see the Nearpod activity is loading. That collaborative board has been inserted inside my presentation. So now I will click right here, Save, and go to Nearpod, and it will take all of the slides from that Google Slide presentation and transfer it to the Nearpod lesson. So from here, you have the option of doing a live lesson with your students where you lead the presentation, or you can do a student-paced lesson with your students where they can work on this presentation independently. But whether it's live or student-paced, you have access to Google Classroom where you can just link it straight to Google Classroom without the students having to sign into Nearpod and enter a code. So all the slides that were in the existing presentation are still there. And I'm going to click through and go to the collaborative slide. So here you'll see that collaborative slide that I created. Now I can have my students be able to post and answer the question. In order to link this to Google Classroom, you would come right here back to your library, and you would choose the lesson that you would like to link. You decide if you want it to be a live lesson or student paced. When you click on it, it will give you the lesson code and give you the options of how you would share that lesson. So you would click here and go to Google Classroom. It gives you the option of how you want it to be posted. Whether you want it to do create a lesson, you choose the class, you want to create an assignment, ask a question, make an announcement, and then it will automatically take you to Google Classroom. So you give it a title, you assign it to other classes. If you want it to be multiple classes, give it points. So it's just like a regular assignment, and all the students will have to do is click on that link, and it takes them to that Nearpod lesson. So having the Nearpod add-on with Google Slides, it helps if you have existing presentations already in Google Slides and you would like them to make them interactive by adding Nearpod activities.